Beer Delivery Part 1 at the brewery, using Duotank CDU compact delivery unit and transport tanks. Connect the 220-volt cable of the CDU to the power source at the brewery. Switch on the main switch on the back of the CDU. Push the start button to activate the CDU. Push the reset button and the compressor will turn on. Unscrew the protection cap from the beer inlet of the CDU. Spray the connections with alcohol spray to disinfect them. Connect the beer hose from the brewery to the beer inlet of the CDU and open valves. Connect the beer hose from the brewery to the tank in the brewery. Check the pressure on the tank in the brewery. Open the valves on the tank in the brewery. Push Pre-fill on the main screen and Start Pre-fill will pop up. Push Start Pre-fill. Use the remote control to roll out the beer hose from the CDU. Open the hose. Open the beer hose until beer comes out of the hose, then close it again. Now the CDU is filled with beer and ready to deliver. Press Stop Pre-fill on the main screen. Make sure a new inliner is inserted in the tank. Tip: instructions on how to do this can be seen in the instruction film Part 2. Connect the beer hose from the CDU to the tank in the truck. Make sure the tank has a counter pressure of approximately 1 bar. Press Beer Delivering on the main screen. Enter the requested volume in liters into the system on the main screen. Press Start Delivery on the main screen. Press Start Pump. Open the valve on the tank in the truck. During pumping of the beer, regulate the counter pressure with the pressure relief valve on the tank, approximately 1 bar. The inliner is now being filled with beer. When entered volume is reached, the CDU stops automatically, approximately 8 minutes for 500 litres and approximately 15 minutes for 1000 litres. When volume is delivered, enter customer name on the main screen. Press Start Printing for printing the ticket. After printing, press Stop Delivering on the main screen. Close the valve on the tank in the truck. Connect the air hose to the CDU and the tank in the truck. This is to put the tank on pressure. Turn the valves to put air pressure on the tank, 2.2 bar. Close the valves of the tank in the brewery and disconnect the hose. Empty the hose when the hose from the brewery is no longer used. Disconnect the hose from the brewery on the CDU. Disconnect the hose from the CDU from the tank in the truck. Seal the hose with the cap. Wind the hose back up using the remote control. Connect the connecting hose from the transport tank to find the CDU. Make sure that the connecting hose is filled with beer. Tip: if the connections match, you can use the same hose as used for pre-filling the CDU. Press and hold the stop button until the screen turns off. Disconnect the 220-volt power cable in the brewery to roll up the power cable. Ready to go to transport.